Good morning, crafty friends. It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Today is the last day of the Santa Hat 12-day Advent swap that was hosted by Cathy and Tree. Sorry, something just fell off my desk if you heard that. And so we did a 12-day Santa Hat Advent swap, and I've already posted my two other videos, which I opened days 1 through 4 and then 5 through 8, and this is my last video for this series. So I am opening up 9 through 12. Okay, so these are the gifts here: 9, 10, 11, and 12. So let me start with number 9. I'll put these on the side here. Let's put that there. Okay, so number 9. So I'm definitely keeping this. If y'all been following me, you know I've been keeping these numbers because I can definitely use these next year for something else. Look at this rosette. This is super cute. Again, I'm going to save this. This can definitely be reused. And now to the package. So let's see here. Okay. This is a super fun swap. I really enjoy creating. I sent my swap to Tina. So if you check her channel out, you'll see what I created. And so this here, oh, this is what she sent. So she sent some ephemera here, or these are some foam stickers here. I think this probably fell off. Maybe it was over here. All right. So she sent some foam stickers. Super cute. I love the swans and the fairies. She kind of looks like Alice in Wonderland. And then this here, this is the kscraft bag toppers. Look at that cute deer. I love it. So yeah, this is the bag toppers here. And then this here, there's a bunch of stickers, I guess. I'm not going to open it yet, but I'll share that with you there. That was number 9. This is number 10. This here is a kscraft purse. I love this purse. So this is super cute. So I'm going to save that. And this here, okay, yeah, so this is the tag flip. This is one of the requirements. We're to make a tag flip. And look at all this beautiful trim that she has put on here. This is lovely. I love it. Look at all that. So much fun. That's amazing. Look at her pretty bowl that she made. I love that. Thank you so much. So let's start the flip. So she gave some trim samples here, or a trim sample right there. This is the first flip where it says Merry and Bright. And it has a cute little wooden deer on the other side there. She has some stickers and some gems on here. This one here, look at that cute blue Christmas tree. And she used some white, I don't know if that's puffy paint or like stickles or something, or Nouveau drops. And she made a flower here. So that's that one. And this one here is another, is this wooden deer? No, this is a paper deer, a die cut here. And this tree. It's really pretty. And then look at this cute little tiny tag here with that truck and the snowflake. And then here, oh, this is a like a keychain. It opens doors so you don't have to touch it. This is perfect because I'm such a I hate germs. I'm always washing my hands. That's why my hands are always dry. So I definitely wanted to purchase one of these. So now I have one. Thank you. And I love the color. Thank you so much. And this here is this cute little gingerbread man. I have him. He's super cute. And he's holding a lollipop here that she made. And this is like a snowflake lollipop. That's super cool. Cute idea. And this here, an ephemera house here with a cute little doily in the back, some trim. She also sent some tree stickers, some Christmas tree stickers there. And here's a cute little kscraft penguin. Can't get enough of her. She's so cute. And then this is a bunch of scallop bases. I guess you could use this for, like, you know, starting your rosettes or like scalloped ephemera. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. I really love this tag flip. This is so cute. Look at that. So I'm going to put this back in the bag here. Amazing. Then we have, oops, 11 and then 12. Okay, so let's do 11. And then let's save this number. And then let's open this up. And let's see here. Oh, this is awesome. So this is the bows, and this is an ornament. So that was one of the requirements to send a set of bows, either 4 mini bows or 2 regular size bows. So this and this here, I believe it's an ornament. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful snowflake ornament. I love that. That is so pretty. And then these are tool bows that she made. That's so cute. Thank you so much. And last but not least, number 12. So let's open the last gift for this Santa hat swap here. So let's see. I wonder if I can like try to open this nicer to preserve. It's hard to like preserve what is this called, like tissue paper, because it just tears so easily. Kind of like once you use it, you're pretty much done if it's taped together. If it's not taped, you can pretty much, you know, try to keep it, but if it's taped, it's probably not, unless you cut it smaller. Awesome. All right, so let's see. So this is number 12. Oh, look at this. She got me some Mike and Ike's. Another sweet treat. Thank you so much. I love Mike and Ike's. And this here is the Santa pocket. This is another kscraft die. I have this die as well. I think I have almost every kscraft die. Their dies are so cute, and they're definitely affordable. So, you know, we all love kscraft. If you're a die cutter, I think you pretty much know kscraft. But all right. Look at that. So she used, again, like that iridescent paper and some pretty flowers. And let's see here. Oh, and she used a cute pom-pom here. And there's the hat, the rim of the hat. And in here, she gave me some dots here. I love these because you know, to add dimension to your projects, these are like awesome to use. These are from the Dollar Tree. This here is a stamp by Momenta. Life takes bravery, follow your heart. May you be happy always. Live, laugh, love. Dream a little dream. Be you, be true. Love what you do. Love the life you love. Or live the life you love. And the best is yet to be. So that's good positive quotes. I love that. And this here is a kscraft die. And this is the, I can't tell, elegant. I'm not sure what this is. I know you put it together and it makes like a box. I'm pretty sure. You do 2 of these and then you interlock it here. So I'll have to look on their website and see, you know, how it's actually supposed to look. But by looking at it, that's what I think it is. it's a candy, like you put a candy here, and then you make two, and then you fold it up, I think. Anyway, thank you so much. I don't even think I have this one. So thank you so much. So this was such a fun swap. I had 12 amazing gifts. Thank you so much, Cathy. Thank you everyone who participated to make this, you know, an amazing group swap. I hope everybody had fun. I hope you all had fun watching us and, you know, seeing what our partners created for us. You all have a fabulous day. Thank you again for stopping by, and take care. Happy crafting.